Upper back tension after carrying a bag.
Carrying loads can increase muscle guarding around the shoulders. Simple circles improve circulation and reduce stiffness. To feel better, let's try a rolling shoulder circles exercise.
Starting position, stand with your feet hip-width apart and arms relaxed at your sides. Maintain a straight posture with your head aligned over your spine, and ensure that your neck is not tensed. Look straight ahead and let your body weight distribute evenly across both feet. How to perform the movement: inhale deeply and as you exhale, gently roll your shoulders up towards your ears. Continue the motion by moving your shoulders back, squeezing your shoulder blades together. As the circle continues, allow your shoulders to drop down away from your ears. Finally, bring the shoulders forward, returning to the starting position to complete the circle. Ensure the motion is smooth and controlled, focusing on moving through the entire range of motion of your shoulder joint. Breathing: coordinate your breathing with the movement for relaxation and rhythm. Inhale as your shoulders go up and exhale as you complete the circle and bring your shoulders down.
Life is too short for back pain. Healactively.com